I'm Matthew Jonathan. Today I'm going to be doing a short product review on one of our new favorite products in the salon, Dream Coat by Wow. It's a fantastic leave-in treatment and a humidity barrier, and it is applied through the hair after washing it and conditioning it, and it lasts up to 2 to 3 washes. You have to be quite heavy with the application. After you shampoo and condition the hair, you section through the hair and push 7 sprays all the way through the hair. I would say you're probably using about 30 to 40 pumps through the entire hair. You've got to make sure the hair is well saturated, and then you blow dry the hair as normal. It speeds up the blow dry. I've heard people say it takes half the time to blow dry the hair. It's weightless, but it leaves the hair feeling silky and soft, as if you've just had the keratin treatment blowout in your hair. This we really give a thumbs up. It's one of our favorite products at the moment.